Hi, my name is Asta. I'm from Gujarat.
My name is Reet Santosh Maske and I'm from Mumbai, Maharashtra.
Hi guys, this is Rohan and I'm from Bangalore, Karnataka.
Hello everyone, this is Sharvari Kadam.
My name is Salil Madhav Dubey. I am a PhD candidate.
I'm Sadhvi Nair and I'm from Kerala. I like the idea of joining IIT Bombay really, so energy was a really good choice. In certain countries, energy gets more concentrated than even a lot of CS people, so sure, why not?
Well, this is a very futuristic department, so I believe I can get a very good placement or more research opportunities in this department, or simply because this was the branch I could come to, so that was one of the motivations.
Since this is a 5-year course, I hope I get to go on some exchange programs, and I'd like to learn about this department more. I didn't know much about it.
I don't expect I'm planning for a branch change like everybody else.
बहुत तेज हो रहा है बहुत तेज हो रहा साल
I searched for the Energies website and I found it cool. Like some project was selected from this department for international. I don't know what's it. And the labs, yeah, like I saw the lab photos and it's a high-tech lab.
I don't expect much. I just feel like I am a reactant and IITB is my catalyst.
I literally had no idea this thing existed until like a week before JOSA thing. So what happened was there's a dad's friend who lives in America and he actually suggested this to my dad. Looked up and it seemed like a very decent option.
I'm in IIT and they are happy. And when I say I'm in energy science, they are like, oh, energy science. तो पूरा ग्राफ ऐसा नीचे क्लैश होता है. मतलब usually people like think कि energy science मतलब EVS type होगा. So
No, most of them didn't know about it. They were all behind the college name, so you know how it feels.
Oh, don't cry, are you?
Actually, only my uncle knew about this and he was like, energy is really promising. Others were like, I don't even know what this is.
एकदम शॉक में थे कि यार तेरे बोर्ड्स में तो इतने अच्छे नहीं आए और तुझे IIT बॉम्बे में मिल गया. फिर उन्हें समझाना पड़ता है कि यार इसमें एंट्रेंस एग्जाम अलग होती है. फिर वो पूछते हैं कि ओके तो उसमें कितने परसेंटेज आए तुझे जेईई एडवांस में. मतलब इससे घटिया क्वेश्चन मैंने कहीं नहीं सुना.
It's not like we have a very great idea about what the department is, but they have even less. So like it's a new thing for a lot of people. No one has any point to start with. So we have to explain it from the base.
जिन लोगों को पता है कि लाइक IIT क्या है, उनके सामने तो मैं जब जाती हूँ ना तब खुद से बताने का ट्राई करती हूँ कि हाँ मेरी कॉलेज स्टार्ट हो गई, ताकि वो हमें पूछे कि बेटा कहाँ पर मिला तुम्हें एडमिशन. एंड देन आई एम लाइक IIT बॉम्बे एंड दे आर लाइक ओह माय गॉड.
Oh my god, Turula!
conserving energy, saving earth.
एनर्जी साइंस इन 4 words, मेरा डिस्क्रिप्शन होगा कि एनर्जी साइंस इज इलेक्ट मैक एंड केमिकल का मिक्सचर.
Strength, intensity, vitality, and of course stamina.
अचानक आ गए हम एनर्जी के साथ.
Of course, why not? Like I think it can be a good experience for me as well as my academics.
बड़ा हरामी हो बेटा.
When I'm single, sure.
In Hindi we say ना ये सब मोह माया है. So it is like that I have grown above it.
No idea. Absolutely no idea. When you date, you don't decide whether it's a senior or junior. It just happens. So there's no distinction.
अरे भैया देखो इससे दूर रहना है सिंपल से जिंदगी जीनी है साधुओं वाली बस लाइक मोदी जी अब्दुल कलाम दैट्स ऑल
To go out with the senior, I would for sure ask her for a salsa night.
So I have taken a virtual tour of the campus, but yeah, really I wanted to have, first thing will be to just visit the campus. Experiencing it physically is some it is It is the other thing.
कैंपस पे आके सबसे पहले तो पता नहीं क्यों पर मैं रोऊंगी क्योंकि सबको छोड़कर आना पड़ेगा ना, मैं बहुत इमोशनल हूँ.
Go and click a picture at the gate and put it on Instagram or something.
I'd like to go trekking on Sameer Hill and just cycle around campus.
मुझे तो समीर हिल जाना है पर उसके लिए पहले हमें इंस्टी तो बुलाओ.
सबसे मचाऊँ ऐसी तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो मुझे करनी है. एक मैं वैसा बंदा बनना चाहता हूँ जो मज़े भी कर लेता है और जिसके मार्क्स भी बड़े अच्छे आ जाते हैं. और मैं किसी फॉरेन इंटर्न पे जाना चाहता हूँ कि किसी दूसरे देश में जाके कोई इंटर्न किया, और सालसा नेट पे जाना चाहता हूँ अगर कोई मान गई तो.
I'd say ACP Pradyuman CID because everything I'm doing कुछ तो गड़बड़ है.
नहीं सारुण के यहाँ कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, जरूर कोई ना कोई गड़बड़.
Sheldon Cooper from Big Bang. No, I relate to him. Like दया आती है.
Amy Santiago from Brooklyn Nine-Nine. I mean, I'm just a perfectionist in some ways, so.
Probably Morty from Rick and Morty. 90% of the time, I have no idea what's going on.
आजकल मम्मी इंडियन आइडल बहुत देखती है तो मेरा स्वभाव भी नेहा कक्कर जैसा हो रहा है. छोटी छोटी बात में रोने लगती हूँ.
जब मैंने रिकॉर्ड किया सभी लोगों को लगता है कि वो म्यूजिक है पर वो मेरी वॉइस है. वो है
मतलब ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं. मतलब सबकी अपनी अपनी चॉइस है ना, हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते उसमें.
Honestly, I don't think I'll have any issue. I will always be there by her side, of course, as friends.
I'm okay with it. I mean, I don't think he'll be attracted to me, so I'm safe. I mean, I can set him up with other people. There's a stereotype that comes with it, sure, but there's also a lot of other fun stuff we can do.
One of the interesting thing was that okay, if I have class at 8:30, then no issues. I can wake up at 8:25, just open my laptop, join the class, and I am having my bath. I am totally enjoying it.
So this is just amusing, but at the start when we had ME 119's first class, there were like 12 meetings going on simultaneously, and then there were 300 people who were presenters, and everyone was able to mute the instructor and change slides and stuff. And of course the quizzes and the server crashes.
One experience that they call by name. Okay, like the one who is more intelligent, who is more active in this class, he will answer it. Why we have to worry? We just sit down and chill, and suddenly he'll ask, okay Salil, okay, answer this question, and you're like, I don't know the question only.
I saw someone get roasted in physics class by the professor. Sir had asked like, when do you want the class? We wanted to prepone it. Okay, so this guy goes common chat and then types that you can take it whenever you want. Anyway, people come for attendance. So what our sir has done is he has made a slide, okay, along with the main slide, he has made a slide with this comment, and he called him in front of everybody and roasted him.
आगे स्वाद